Hey everyone, Coder Steve here. In this video we're going to be looking at PHP variables and what they do and how you can use them in your scripts or on your website. So we'll get started and we'll show you what you can do with PHP variables. So if we go to my website, I've put a header here called PHP variables. So we'll go and have a look. That's my little header there. There's my HTML code. So I've got no variables in here at all. I've called it var.php. So if we go up the top here and we'll put an opening PHP tag and an ending PHP tag, we can put something on the create a variable, and I'll call it new. Sorry, you need the dollar first. So new. All variables start with a little dollar, and you can name them anything you like. Then we'll put equals, and we'll put it like that, and we'll say new variable. So I've created a variable there, but it's not gonna display or anything like that unless we go echo dollar new like this. So now I'm going to echo this variable out, save to the website and refresh it. And you can see it's going to echo, but it comes up the top here. And that's not really where you want it to be. You want it to be in your HTML. So to solve that problem, instead of echoing it out above the HTML, you can echo it out in the HTML. So to do that, I'll show you how to do it. So we've got the variable up the top, and we'll put it down here, and then I'll create the PHP tags. You have to put the PHP tags again inside of your HTML, and then end them like that. So I've got a starting PHP tag and ending PHP. Then I'll use an echo, which basically displays what I'm going to echo, and that's the variable from up the top. So if we save that, the website, and I'll refresh it, that I've moved it from there, so it now displays here. As you can see, that's how you use a variable. So you can change the name of the variable by putting like this. I've called it new, and now if I refresh the page, you'll see it's gone. But if I change this to say new, you can see it's back again. So if we wanted to change this to a variable and put it in the top of the code, I'll show you how you can do that now. So that's the variable, the bit of text, sorry. I'm going to paste something in there, and you can play about with this as much as you want. It's quite easy to learn. I'm going to call this one var1. I'm echoing out var1. Now I'll take this bit of text, and we'll create a variable up the top here called var1, and we'll equal it, put it inside these tags like so. So what is a PHP variable? We'll save it to the website, and it still displays the same. So now if I edit this here, a test on the end, what are PHP as test. So you can, that's how you can create a variable. You can the variables like that. You can, you know, it's pretty easy to use PHP variables. So let us know in the comments below if you have any problems. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed, and I can show you lots of different codes and stuff to help build your website and to learn PHP. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.